Hi guys, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. Today I've got an unbagging for you, and this comes from Cateared, who are also trading as YoyocraftByJuly on Etsy. So I purchased this from their Etsy store. Let's get inside. I am loving the hollow. Excuse the rattling. Okay. Comes nicely bubble wrapped and then in another nice little package. It's almost a shame to open it. Almost. So I'm going to rattle first. Speak second. Okay, so this was something that I spotted and I thought it was just a little bit different and might be nice for a change. Would be lovely to do, I think, if you've got children who are becoming interested in diamond painting. So we get some stickers, which are, oh, right. When I can get to the edge of one, there we go. Yeah, so they are semi-transparent stickers which you can place diamonds on in any way that you like, or you can follow the little plan that they give you. So you can look at doing these any way that you want. I mean, for instance, I looked at this one and saw a pair of wings, and then looked at this and realised that it's supposed to be a moustache. So you really can use your imagination, which is kind of the point of this. So we've got that. We've got also two canvas stickers, which are designed for you to completely freestyle on. And I think if you look on their website, there are some suggestions. Along with this, we get 2 squares of pink wax, nice white boat, the clear sparkly pen with a 3-placer and a single placer, purple squishy, always nice. And then here we have the drills. So obviously this will be a great way to use up any spare drills that you have, but in this storage container we get so we've got pink squares, right, 3608. Let me just check if, I believe that these are DMC, but I will check. 3608 plum very light. I would say that that is plum very light. Excellent. So we've got, I'm just gonna, I'll lay out the colours on here. So we've got the plum, and then we've got 704, we've got 307, a nice bright yellow, got 604, 760, 318, and it's lovely that these are all in resealable bags. So as well as getting the storage container, you've also got them in baggies if you want to use them out of that. 3846. These are some lovely bright sort of neon-y colours. We've got 434. It's going to be a 310. It is indeed. This is a 310. We've then got a beautiful, let's see if I can get that up to you, AB in 554. So that's got the AB coating, which is a coating on top of the drill, which adds that rainbow extra sparkle. So those are lovely. And then finally, let's just see if I can, I'm probably not going to be able to get this to show up at all on camera, but we'll have a go. Just turn off my desk lamp. You can kind of see a little bit, it's not quite dark enough in here, but these are glow in the dark square drills. And I mean, I held that in person, it's glowing even more than you can see here. Just burst another little burst of light on it while I'm chatting to you, and we'll come back to it in a moment. So I think, yeah, this is a lovely little starter kit for someone, great for kids, great for anybody that just wants to have something that's a bit more, has a bit more freedom than your standard diamond painting. These are great for anyone that's considering doing, say, a heaven and earth design, but is a bit wary of the process. You could have a little practice on here, find a small cross stitch, try and translate it across. I am probably going to turn these two into cup mats. They're about, let me just get my actual cup mat. So here is my cup mat, and as you can see, these are about the same size. This was just covered using leftover drills. So yeah, the size of these squares, I'll give you an exact measurement. They are 4 inches by 4 inches. So that is just about 10 by 10. So it's a good size. So what I will probably do, as I say, is I will decorate them up and stick them onto something that will give them a bit of structure, either some thin ply or some cork, and then we can use them as cup mats. So let's have another little look at these glow in the dark ones and see if we've got a better idea of how glowy they are. It is just too bright in here, I'm afraid. There we go. Can you see that? They're so cool. I'm loving them. I've got so many paintings that could be enhanced with these, and it's so nice to have a special drill in a square. So this is the Freestyle diamond painting sticker kit, which was £18. It comes with the 10 slot container, and then 10 colours. It's a great little set, and I would recommend anybody to give it a go. Once I've worked on it and come up with some designs, I will pop them onto Instagram. And in the meantime, if anybody's already got this kit and has worked on it, please do pop onto my Instagram or the Facebook group, Crafty Witch UK, and share your photos. Let me know what you've created. So that's all from me with this little unboxing, just a short and sweet one. And all that remains to be said is please do consider clicking the like button, subscribing, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!